What's up everyone? So as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, it is the Ipsy Glam Bag unbagging for the month of April. Holy moly, I was about to say holy crap, but you guys know I try not to cuss. We are already almost halfway through the year. Now that, like, thinking of it that way is really, really crazy. Like, where did this year go by? This is really sad. I turn 30 next month. Okay, I'm like about to go into like a whole little breakdown right now if I keep thinking about next month. But anyways, I'm gonna be showing you guys all of the products. I'm over here like, crap, I'm turning 30 next month. All right, hang on. Let me get back into here. So as you guys know, I show you all of the products for the month of April that you have a chance of getting in your glam bags, like all of it. It's crazy, and I know you guys love this video. And I also want to say a big thank you to Ipsy and Ipsy brand partners for all the products in this video, so that way I can show you guys all of them. Real quick, before we get into the first product, thumbs up this video if you guys feel like this year is going by way too fast. I feel like it's going way too fast. On a different note, this is the 111 Skin Y Theorem Repair Serum. That kind of like rhymes, Y Theorem Repair Serum. Yeah, anyways, this is going to boost collagen and elasticity in the skin. It's gonna really help plump the skin to get rid of any fine lines or wrinkles that you may have. It's a really nice serum. All you do is just cleanse your face, put this on, and let it soak in and plump that skin. All right, so we're kind of going on a trend here because next up we have a product from Answer From. This is their Luminous Collagen Eye Cream right here. As you guys know, collagen is a thing that we lose in the skin as we get older. Fun stuff. I know, right? That's why skincare is so important. But this is a Luminous Collagen Eye Cream, delivers vital nutrients to the eye area, gently moisturizing, instantly brightening the dry, uneven, tired looking skin. Yes. All of my dry skin viewers, you are going to like this one. This is the APTO Skincare Nourishing Mask Blue Spirulina, and this is for dry skin types. So this is a blue mask that is going to help treat the skin with an extra dose of hydration that helps prevent signs of tightness and dullness. So if you guys notice, like after you cleanse your face, if it feels really, really tight, this is gonna help make your skin not feel that, and it's gonna give you like a huge surge of hydration to the skin, which is definitely needed, especially in the drier climates. All right, so next up we have a brush from Billion Dollar Brows. This is their fan brush right here, and this is really nice. It has a nice soft touch handle, and also I really like the density of the bristles right here. It's going to really softly put on the highlighter onto that cheekbone, but it's also, since it's a little bit more dense, it's going to add a little bit more pop to it. All right, so next up we have the BUXOM Cosmetics. This is the BUXOMLASH Volumizing Mascara. So what I really, really like about this mascara right here is just look at the wand. This wand is so nice. It's gonna help give you a ton of volume, but it's a little bit more of a spikier wand, so it's not gonna allow all the lashes to clump up, which I do not like at all. So I really, really enjoy wands like this because they also kind of like help brush through the lashes and help lift them up, which I really enjoy. All right, so next up from Delectable by Kate Beauty, we have their Body Butter Cream. This is their Triple Citrus Blend. And oh my goodness, you guys, this thing smells so good. I love fruity scents. They're just so refreshing and just kind of gets you ready for the spring and the summertime. And this one, oh, it smells so good. It has shea butter, orange, tangerine, and grapefruit oils in it. So it's also just super, super hydrating on the skin and feels so good. Next up from DOUCCE, we have the Punk Volumizer Mascara. This mascara right here gives you so much volume that it literally makes your lashes look like they're fake. It makes them so thick and full and just super, super black. Next up from ICO, we have their Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner Plus Wide Lash. This is their travel size in carbon black. It has a really, really nice brush tip on it, you guys. I love it. It is so nice. You can create such a nice like flick to it. Like, oh, it is so good, and it gives, which I really like. I don't like the tips that don't give because they're a little bit harder for me to maneuver, but when they give, it's just super easy to like flick it out. Next up from FIRMA Beauty, we have their 103 Angled Contour Brush right here. This one's really nice. It's nice and dense, and it has like the perfect little angle to fit underneath that natural cheekbone right there to precisely place your bronzer and then also effortlessly blend it out. Next up from HIKARI Cosmetics, we have their cream pigments right here. So we have Mulberry, which is this really pretty like eggplant purple, and then we have Honeydew, which is a gorgeous champagne shade. So you'll get one shade or the other if you get these in your bag. They are vegan and cruelty-free. They're also super pigmented and very easy to blend out too. I just love honeydew as well. They are so pretty. Like honestly, you could even multitask and use honeydew as a highlighter too. All right, so we got some sheet masks here. These are the HUANGJISOO sheet masks. First off, we have the broccoli plumping mask, and it's going to help signs of aging, tired skin, lack of vitality. And then the other one that we have is one that I'm really, really excited to use. This is the Red Fruits Brightening Mask. I love brightening masks. I feel like my skin can always use some extra like brightening to it. This is going to be brightening, radiant, and luminous to the skin, which is amazing to put on before you do your makeup because it just kind of glows through the foundation. Really, really pretty. So I'm very excited to test this guy out. Next up, we got some concealers here, and these are from IT Cosmetics. So if you get any of these concealers in your bag, you're only gonna get one shade. So the shades that we have are light fair, light natural, medium natural, and rich right here. These are very full coverage concealers. Honestly, this little tube right here, it will last you so long because you only want to use the smallest amount and just lightly press that underneath the eye, and it covers up so good. It is amazing. Highly, highly recommend this if you have any darkness underneath your eyes. It is great. All right, so next up from Jelly PONG Cosmetics, we have their lip oil. This is a color-infused hydrating oil in watermelon. Very, very stoked about this guy. It's a therapeutic lip conditioner that fuses all the benefits of a balm and gloss into a wonderful oil-like concoction without the gooey stickiness. Ooh, I'm actually really excited about you. And he's also vegan, no mineral oils, no parabens, no phthalates, and no talc in it too. So that's awesome. So this is what he looks like right here. So it's probably gonna leave a nice little like red tint to the lips. Yeah. Lip oils are always so nice because they last really long on the lips. Like it leaves just like the perfect little popsicle tinted lips, which is awesome. Oh, and it smells like watermelon. It smells so good. I cannot wait to use you. All right, so next up we have a big variety of different colors of eyeshadows from Laura Sanchez. These are the Moods eyeshadows right here. So if you get these in your bag, you're only gonna get one shade. So it's very important to do the little preferences and your little survey on there and like always keep it updated. So the first color right here that we have is a Martini Olive Green. And this has a nice little shimmer to it. Ooh, look at that. That is really pretty right there. Next up, we have Rose Gold Woman. This one's actually really, really pretty too. This one has a shift of gold in it. Really stunning. And then we have Alien Turquoise. Oh, this turquoise is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I really like this color. I just love how like vibrant that blue is, or that turquoise is. It's really, really pretty. Next up, we have Chocolate Shake. This is a matte deep brown. And then last but not least, we have Nude Bodysuit, which is like a perfect transition shade. There is Nude Bodysuit right there. So really awesome. And then also I really love the packaging because when you actually flip it, you can see like the whole packaging. Isn't that cool? I don't know, I really, really enjoy that. All right, so next up we have a nail polish. This is from La Beauty Essentials. This is 100% vegan friendly and toxin free. This is Purplicious. It's like, look at the name. Purplicious. I don't know, I had so much fun with that name there. But anyways, it's a really, really pretty color, you guys. Look at that. It is such a fun pop of like purple, like lavender purple for the springtime. This is really, really pretty. I kind of want to paint my nails this color next. This is gorgeous. Next up from MAAPILIM, we have the Face Cleanser. This is for all skin types and it's gonna really help soothe and tone the skin. All right, so next up from Marc Anthony True Professional, we have their 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter. This is their hydrating curl cream. It's going to eliminate frizz, tangles, and define curls with extra hold and added shine, and it also has biotin in it. Next up, we have a lip balm. This is from Moroccan Magic. This is their argan and essential oil lip balm in peppermint eucalyptus. So this actually is infused with USDA organic argan oil, and oh my goodness, you guys, it smells so good. It's not gonna leave any of that like waxy texture on your lips either that some lip balms may leave, but I cannot get over this smell. I've already like opened it up and used it and I was just like, oh my gosh, this thing smells so bomb. All right, so next up from Nomad Cosmetics, we have some of their eyeshadows here, and these are from the Berlin Underground palette that they have. So the first one that we have here is called Blue Lagoon, and I am like loving these blues right here, you guys. Oh my goodness. They are so vibrant, so blendable, so creamy. Oh, it's just beautiful. This next shade is called Kreuzberg. I just looked up the pronunciation and it was a 4 out of 5 on difficulty level, so I hope I said it right. But it is really pretty. It's actually kind of like a lime green, like a seafoam green actually, right there. And this is how it looks. It's super, super pretty. And then last but not least, we have Champagne Reef. This is just a really gorgeous gold right there. Really, really fun colors in here. So these are all from that Berlin Underground palette. So, ooh, I kind of want to take a closer look at that palette because these colors are really vibrant and fun. Next up from OFRA Cosmetics, we have a full size highlighter again. Love these, you guys. I love their highlighters. This one is Rodeo Drive. And what I really like about this one is that it's actually universal and perfect for all skin types. These are so pigmented. So pigmented and just beautiful. Oh, I just love these. You know what? I'm actually gonna apply a little bit with my fan brush on my cheekbone. And it's just so stunning. They are so pigmented and they just blend out beautifully on the cheeks too. Very finely milled, so it doesn't look too chunky or like powdery on there. It just looks like second skin. Next up, we have 2 nail polishes, and these are from Pretty Woman, so you'll get one shade or the other in your bag. The first one that we have is Berry Wild, and these are also 10 free. So they are 10 free, cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, petrochemical free, GMA free, and triclosan free. There we go. So this shade right here again is called Berry Wild. Really fun and a vibrant purple. And then we have a Wanderlust right here. And oh, this is pretty. I love that blue. It's like a bluish purple, like would you say like indigo? Really, really stunning. I'm living for the blues right now. All right, so next up from Pure Lace, we have their Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. This is going to gently resurface the skin and make it really smooth and boost the radiance in it. So it's for all skin types. I actually really, really like the sheet mask of this one. They smell so good. And it also says the benefits is watermelon energizes the skin, aloe vera helps reduce inflammation, white tea protects the skin from cellular damage, and cucumber helps soothe and firm the skin. And then next up we have the Pure Lace Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm now. And this is a lightweight oil-free gel cream, refreshes and moisturizes. And this is perfect for oily combination, normal, and even sensitive skin, which is really, really nice. So since it's a gel moisturizer, it's actually really good for oily skin because it's not like overloading your skin with a ton of moisture, but it just gives your skin just enough to balance everything out. All right, so next up we have some really exciting products from Seraphine Botanicals. These are their Berry and Juice 100% vegan lip gel. And the 2 kind that we have is Cherry Compote and Rose Currant. These also are vegan. They have no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten. They have vitamin E. They have blackberry and raspberry extracts. They have soft shea butter. They also have soybean, safflower, and sunflower seed oils, and they're hypoallergenic. So this one is called Cherry Compote right here. I love products like these. Ooh, this is nice. It's actually pretty pigmented. That one's really pretty. And then we have, ooh, I want to smell it. Oh, it smells good. I love the fruitiness. It's like a Jolly Rancher. And then last but not least from them, we have this shade right here. Oh, this is pretty. This one is Rose Currant. This actually has a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's really beautiful. I'm actually going to put this one on right now because it looks really pretty. Oh yeah. You know what? I honestly feel like I just ate like a gummy right now and it feels so good. I'm doing the whole keto diet, so I'm not doing any sugar, and I feel like I just cheated. Next up from Sugar Cosmetics, we have the Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal. This is in the shade Blackout. I'm gonna open this and show you guys what it looks like. You just twist it up like that, and oh yeah, so creamy. I like stuff like this for like the waterline or the tight line because it doesn't tug or hurt, and it just goes on so like effortlessly, which is so nice. So I really like how black that one is too. Okay, so next up from Tarte is one that I'm really excited about. This is their Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer right here. Oh my goodness, when I saw this, I was so excited. I cannot wait to try this out and see if I like it because I will totally purchase the full size. This is a priming serum that helps hydrate the skin for up to 12 hours. And you guys know I love hydrating primers. Like you can just tell like it's a little bit more watery because it's that serum, and oh, it feels so good, so moisturizing. I'm so excited to try this out underneath. Like, look at the glow that it just gave my hand. That is so nice. I cannot wait to put this underneath my makeup. It feels so good. Next up from the Balm Cosmetics, we have the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stains right here, and you have a chance of getting one of these shades in your bag if you do get one of them. And I'm so excited for these, you guys. Like, the lip stains are like coming in these bags. I'm so pumped. So these start off as a gloss and then they turn into a stain throughout the day. And oh my god, this color is beautiful. So this is Konnichiwa right there. It's a really beautiful nude. And also they say that these are very moisturizing too. So this one is Namaste, like Namaste right here. And this one's a really pretty pink shade. Oh, I'm already loving these colors so much. And then last but not least, we have Salute. And this one, oh my gosh, this one's beautiful as well. These are gorgeous shades. I have to say, I think I like Salute almost the best, but I feel like this pinky one right here, Namaste, is also really pretty for like that springtime, because I don't know about you guys, but I love like comfortable lip products that are moisturizing that I don't have to think about reapplying. And that color is beautiful for like a simple makeup look and then do your pop of color on the lips. But really beautiful colors there. I want to go and see what else they have too in that collection. So I really like those. All right, so next up from Tony Moly, we have their Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser. And this is a really nice gentle cleanser that's just gonna really cleanse the skin without irritating it. All right, so the last product this month here, which is last but not least, this is the Vasanti Cosmetics. This is their Contour Eyeshadow Blended Out Brush. And I love brushes like these right here. This one's really nice. It's very precise, very dense, so it's gonna be really easy to get into that crease when you wanna add in like a deeper shade. It gives you a lot of control for it. So love these brushes. All right, so that is everything in the glam bags this month, you guys. Make sure to comment down below what you are getting in your glam bag this month and give this video a thumbs up. And again, a huge thank you to Ipsy and Ipsy brand partners for all of these products, and I will see you guys in my next video.